This is Minute English. Why did the man get fired from the orange juice factory? For lack of concentration. This joke is using one word in two ways. Concentration. Concentration is when you think hard about something. You are thinking deeply, so you are concentrating. It is important to concentrate while on the job. But this man in the joke was not concentrating on his work, but we also use concentrate for orange juice when they mix orange juice and take water out so that they can sell it in a can. It's concentrated orange juice. So the joke is funny because we use concentrate in two ways. Why did the man get fired from the orange juice factory? For lack of concentration.